welcome to South Lakes Fishing. Today I'm at a beautiful little mountain tarn in the Lake District and I'm going to try to catch some wild brown trout. I've got my lure rod and my fly rod, so I'm going to have a go with both and see how I do. Starting with my rigged and ready Predator Max lure rod, using a small single hook barbless spinner. See how I do with that. Hopefully the fly life will pick up and I'll see some fish rising, and then I'll switch over to the fly rod, but yeah, we'll have to see. Right, I've just seen a fish rise right in front of me, so I'm switching over to my rigged and ready 2-in-1 travel fly rod. Got a little hare's ear nymph on the end to start with. I'll do cast with this, see how I do. Didn't have any bites with the spinner so far. Right, the fish are taking off the surface, so I'm sticking on this knotted midge dry fly and see how I do with that. Right, it's gone a bit quiet on the fly front. There are a few rising, but they seem to have stopped now the wind's picked up. So I'm back on the spinning rod. Yes, it's a fish. There we are. What a beautiful little Lake District brown trout. Caught on a single hook barbless spinner from Rigged and Ready. Beautiful. Ooh. Missed a fish there. Right, I'm going to have a go with a different lure. I've been using this barbless single hook spinner from Rigged and Ready. I'm going to switch to this spoon. It's a bit smaller and it's got these red spots on it, so it might be a bit more attractive. See how I get on with that. The bite. Well, I had a bite first cast, it's got to be promising. There are plenty of trout rising for large flies. I think they're olive spinners, but my closest match is this mayfly, so I'm gonna have a go with this, see how I do. Storm's coming. Probably time to leave in a minute. Right, I think thunder and lightning is probably a good signal to go home. I'm not sure how well fiberglass rods and lightning will mix. So yeah, I might have one sneaky last cast and try not to get struck by lightning. One last cast.